Okay, crafty critters, today we're going to be working with Christmas cards. And you could do this with birthday cards or, postcards. But since it's Christmas season, I'm going to be working with some Christmas cards and we're going to bead them and put them in some frames for some cute little wall art. So get your cards and let's get started. Now for this project, I have a bunch of Christmas cards and I wanted to decorate them and make them 3D, like three-dimensional, and put them in some picture frames. So you have lots of choices that you could pick from, but I'm going to choose the cards that have just like one big item on them. So I'm thinking this Christmas tree for this little frame. And then I'm thinking of the snowman for another frame that I have that's, I forget what you call it, where the glass is raised up from the image. So I can put really big beads on this one because it has room in the glass. And this is the card that was in this frame, so I'm just using it to cut around to trim my card down for the correct size to fit in my frame. I think that will look cute. So I'm just going to take my Mod Podge and I'm going to put a big glob of it on here, and I'm going to add some beads. I'm thinking some big red beads right here because it'll give it a lot of pop. I just want to make sure that I'm inside of the frame with my glue, because if I put beads where they're going to go on the edge of the frame, then it's not going to lay flat in there. So I think I've got it where I need it to be. You see how those really make the hat pop. And you could put like some orange for the nose if you had some little seed beads, maybe some beads for the mouth and the eyes. I'm just going to do it kind of simple, not with a lot. I'm going to sprinkle some of these smaller little white beads around my red pop-up color. And I'm thinking maybe some white on his face. Instead of doing the eyes and the mouth, I think maybe I'll just put some little splashes of the white beads around his face. I want to press it down, get those beads good contact with the glue. Now it's all dry, so I'm going to shake off the excess and see what we've got. It's really hard to tell on the camera, but I think you can really see the dimension in person. So we'll see how it looks when I put it in the frame here in a second. Now for this Christmas tree, I am thinking of putting some little ornaments on the tree and maybe glitter up the snow in the background. I also had like some broken jewelry that I thought would be cute on there, but I didn't have enough of anything to really do that, so I'm just going to use beads. So I'm going to put a little garland on my tree. And if you can notice, the card already had a little bit of garland. So I'm just going to paint over it with my glue, which made it really easy for me. I'm really liking this project because it's kind of like coloring with coloring book or something. It's easy and relaxing. And this one's just going to go in this frame the way it is with no glass on top. I'm just going to glue it into the frame. I'm just going to put some little dots where I'm going to put some ornaments. And again, I'm going to use the larger beads so that it's really noticeable, the dimension. Now I'm going to sprinkle around a little bit of white glitter to give the tree a little bit of snow and make the background stand out a little bit. So there's the finished tree. And here's the finished snowman. Alrighty guys, that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!